or Sajno, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and my dear friends. You are watching Voyager Vara. Nenu me host Varaprasad. And we are now exploring episode 5, and this is the last episode of Maihar, my dear friends. Okay, so this is the part of the KJS temple, and it is Ichhapurti Temple here. Beautiful water fountain. And then Kasari. Look over there. What a gigantic temple. Maa Ichhapurti Maa Durga Maa ki Jai. Let's have the darshan, ladies and gentlemen. Sarvamangala Mangalye Sive Sarvartha Sadhike Saranye Trayambake Gauri Narayani Namostute. Friends, today we are at Ichhapurti Mata Temple. Constructed by the KJS Factory Management. This is in Maihar, almost 15 kilometers from Maihar Temple. This is a very beautifully constructed temple, and great efforts, hard work by the construction workers is clearly visible and seen here on this temple, ladies and gentlemen, and it's really eye-catchy. And see the beautiful structure, gigantic height of the temple, and the design and everything looks very antique, like as if constructed in the olden days. But ladies and gentlemen, KJS Management recently constructed in 2018. I came to know that the temple will be opened in the morning hours till 12 o'clock, and evening it shuts down. For lunch hour probably, and again opens at 4 o'clock. And so you can hire a auto rickshaw from the main Maihar Sharda Devi temple till Ichhapurti Temple. You can come by auto, and they'll charge hardly 200 rupees. Or from railway station to this temple also they charge around. Durga Ma idol was installed on February 2018. This is the Prana Pratishtha stone of Ma Ichhapurti, dedicated to the public, and thanks and hats off to the KJS Cement Factory Management, Srimati Induji and Pawan Kumar Aluwalia and their family. Glittering of lights, just we see the switches just being on, I think. Lights are just coming on the beautiful temple. Wow, what a location. The beauty of the temple is only when you visit during the evenings, during the sunset timings. And then you can see the lovely lawns and mesmerizing flowers just in front of the KJS factory. The factory premises is also seen by us, and this is the entrance gate to the temple, friends. And these are the quarters where the employees of the factory stay. Such greenery lawn, and then well maintained by the KJS staff, is eye-catchy. And the yellow, pink, white, I can see lot of flowers. Very beautiful and nice horticulture. And the way they are maintaining is really worth it, and it's a must visit, ladies and gentlemen. See the greenery, the lovely greenery, the fountains, spreading water to the lawn, and taking such nice care. Sculptures, see those beautiful statues of elephant you can see, and various statues are there in the lawn. Wow, the lovely stone carved cow and its calf, and then some more statues all on single rock.
Oh, beautifully carved statues. Yes, you can see them, ladies and gentlemen, and let's appreciate and hats off to the KJS management. Friends, there are two gigantic lions here, one on my left, and then I am on the steps of the main temple, and in front of me is the beautiful factory which we can see, and those lovely quarters and the lawn, and again on my right is the another lion. In fact, this is an entrance, and I am entering the main temple. My dear friends, come join me, and now let us climb these steps and just look at that structure, beautiful carved, and then the artwork is really, really mesmerizing, isn't it? The mandapa is highly decorated with carvings and skilled work, and you can see Lord Hanuman on the left side of the mandapa, and Lord Hanuman ji ki jai. मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतं वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरविक्रमं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि. Jai Hanuman. The sanctum that is in the Garbhagriha, there is idol of Maa Durga, who is known as Ichhapurti here at Maihar. Anyways, I managed this pic of the idol of Maa Durga, the Ichhapurti, and please have the darshan. The height of the temple, the Garbhagriha, seems to be not less than 70 to 80 feet. Devi or Sajno, I was told that the stone, the marble stone, which is a red marble, or you call this as a rose marble, was brought all the way from Rajasthan and in and around of Jaipur. And this work was carried on for nearly 5 years, 5 long years. And just appreciate the art and architecture and these beautiful carvings, making it as though it was constructed during the Rajas Maharajas time. But ladies and gentlemen, you all know, I've been telling that it was constructed only during the 2018. Durga Mata ki jai, Jai Maa Durga. As said, restriction of taking photographs in the Garbhagriha. This is the Sita Rama Lakshmana Anjaneya Swami photo which I had managed, and please have a darshan which is already there in the Garbhagriha. Friends, on the right side of the mandapa of the temple, here is Lord Shiva, the Lord of the Lords, the Shivalinga.
सौराष्ट्रे सोमनाथं च श्रीशैले मल्लिकार्जुन उज्जैन्यां महाकालं ओंकारं च अमलेश्वरं हिमालयं तु केदारां दाक्षिण्यं भीमशङ्करं वाराणसं च विश्वेश्वरं त्र्यम्बकं गौतमीतटे परल्यं वैद्यनाथं च नागेशं दारुकावने सेतुबन्धे तु रामेशं कृष्णेशं च शिवालये. ओम नमः शिवाय. हर हर महादेव शंभो शंकर.
Har Har Mahadeva. Thank you. And it was the recitation of the slokam, the Jyotirlingam slokam by my daughter Alekhya. Thank you, Alekhya. So friends, I sign off as Voyager Vara. Nenu me host Varaprasad, and this is the end of Maihar vlog. And let's catch up and explore with some other exciting vlog next week. Until then, bye, goodbye. Ichhapurti Maa Durga Devi ki jai, and stay safe and happy forever and ever, my dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, bhai aur behno. With warm blessings of Maihar ki Maa, Sharda Maa ki jai. Sharda Maa ki jai.